Welcome back, y'all. This is your girl Kanisha, and I'm back better and fabulous. And today, I know a lot's going on here, but y'all understand in a minute. So thank you for coming back to my channel. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. And let me tell y'all what this video is all about, if you couldn't tell by the title. So today we are going to, even though I already unboxed the hair, but we're going to unbox and install this lace front unit. And this is part 1 of my birthday series, I guess you could say. Yeah. So this is the nice satin bag that it came in. It claims to be 100% human hair. The company is So Great Hair Products on AliExpress. Yeah, so this is the hair right here. I kind of have it pinned up right now, but this is a 24-inch unit. It is supposed to be bone straight. I already washed and bleached the hair, so that's why I unboxed it, because I didn't want to do that on video. So I'm going to braid. I just finished washing my hair. I'm going to braid my hair, and then we'll get into the installation. So let's see y'all in the next clip, okay? So as y'all can see, I'm back, hair braided. I put the wig cap on, and now it's time to put on this wig right here. So okay. Oh, before I start, so this wig has 4 combs, 2 at the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back, and it comes with like the little adjustable thing there, so you can make it bigger, smaller, adjust to your head size. So let's put this on. If y'all see me looking this way, it's because my camera's here, my mirror's here. So we're gonna get the got to be. And I'm just gonna smother this everywhere. Okay, we're just gonna rub that out. Now we're just gonna wait for this layer to get tacky. Okay. It's pretty tacky, so we're just going to put this on. So we're just trying to get that in there right now. So I'm just trying to flatten it out. And then while that is doing that, I'm just gonna take my little elastic band. Well, first I want to get all the hair back as much as possible. So I'm gonna take my wax stick. I'm just gonna got all the hair back, and then we're just going to why am I having so much trouble right now? Okay, so this is basically what we're doing. We're just making sure that it's stuck in there, and then I'm just gonna let this sit for a few minutes run the blow dryer on it, and then I will be back to cut the lace. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, so it's been like, I'm gonna say like 3-4 minutes. So let's take this bad boy off. And then as you can see, we got the hair down. And now it's time to cut the lace. I cut them into panels just so that way it's easier to see. Oh my god. The lace is like so obvious. It's so disgraceful. I'm definitely gonna have to put some concealer on here for I don't know what. Okay, so that's one half done. I don't think this is why I don't like doing black hair by myself, because it's always a hassle for me, but let's see what we can do. Okay, so now we have kind of a problem because the lace is way too light. So I'm gonna try and go in with some concealer. Concealer foundation. I'm just trying to get the. Does that look a little bit better? What's the glue yet? This is the glue. Okay. Something is right. Let's try to get rid of that excess glue on the outside first. Okay, it looks a little bit better. So now let me go back and do what I was doing before. But too much. So we're gonna see if we can make this work. Let me get a brush. Just want to get the other stuff. I fucked it up. And now I don't know how to fix it. This is definitely glue. So I just start getting all the glue. Okay, it still looks kind of light, but I don't know what else to put on it. I'm going to try concealer, and if that doesn't work, then I don't know. I don't understand. Why does it look like this? Okay, so I kind of got it a little bit better, a tiny bit. I'm still trying to get rid of that dark spot in the middle, but for the most part, I'm wondering if I like it's noticeable, but I feel like I can get away with it just a little bit. Okay, I kind of straightened it already. And my problem is with straight hair, middle part especially, is that one side is always higher than one. Okay, I did one side of edges, so let me do the other. Using okay. So I ended up getting frustrated with the whole hair process because it wasn't as easy as when I do my other hairstyles, but that's also because I haven't done black hair in a while. But for those of y'all that are interested, here are some videos and clips of how the hair turned out. And because I didn't do an outro, I love you guys. If you guys haven't done so already, hit subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that, you know, we struggle, but we lit over here. Thanks y'all for watching, and see y'all in the next video.
They're calling me the islander.